Hello my dear students, welcome back to our English class of grade 2. So children, take out your English discovering book of grade 2. So children, now open your page number 91. Okay. So children, in our previous class we completed our 6th chapter, that is Chinu's grateful friend, and also we discussed about some grammar section, which is that part singular noun and plural noun. Okay. So children, in our today's class we are going to begin chapter number 7, Bonga and Robbie. Okay, so let's begin our today's chapter. So children, before entering into the lesson, let us discuss about some new words of this chapter. Okay, so the first word is handsome. 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 What do you mean by handsome? Handsome means good looking. We can say sundara in Kannada. Okay, handsome means good looking. Yes. Next one is honest. Okay, honest. Honest means sincere, untruthfulness. He will say always truth. Yes. So what do you mean? Next in Kannada, what we will say? Pramanikate. Honest means pramanikate. Yes. Next one, mane. M-A-N-E, mane. So what do you mean by mane? A growth of a long hair on the neck. Can you see here is a growth of a long hair on the neck of a lion or horse or other animals. Okay, so that is mane. In Kannada we will say ayalu. Okay, ayalu. So a growth of long hairs on the neck of a lion or horse or other animals is known as mane. M-A-N-E, mane. Yes. Next one is fright. F-R-I-G-H-T, fright. Fright means a sudden intense feeling of fear. So a sudden intense feeling of fear means bhaya. Bhaya means anjudu. So that is called fright. F-R-I-G-H-T. Fright means a sudden intense feeling of fear. Understood? So children, note down these new words in your notebook. So children, let's begin our today's chapter. Okay, that is Bonga and Robbie. Okay, first we will discuss about did you know section. Which part? Did you know section part. Okay, so what they have given in that part? It is good to be honest. It is good to be honest. Honest means pramanikate, means he won't say lie. So he is sincere, untruthfulness. So pramanikate, he will say every time truth. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಪ್ರತಿ ಸಾರಿನೂ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ಅವರು ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋರಿಗೆ ಏನಂತೀವಿ? ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಗುಡ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್. ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್. ಸೊ ಬ್ರೇವ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಆರ್ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್. ಎಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಒನ್, ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಎವ್ರಿ ಒನ್ ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್. ಟ್ರಸ್ಟ್ಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ನಂಬಿಕೆ. Okay, everyone trusts an honest person. So children, now tell me, you also want to become honest person? Yes, it is good. So it is good to be honest person. So honest persons are brave people. Understood? So children, let's begin our today's chapter, Bonga and Robbie. Okay, Bonga was handsome lion. So can you see this lion in this picture? So his name was Bonga. What is name? Bonga. Bonga was a handsome lion. So the name of this lion is Bonga. Okay. Next, he was big and strong. He was big and strong. Who was big and strong? This lion. This Bonga was big and strong. Okay. He had a beautiful golden mane. So he had a beautiful golden mane. So what do you mean by mane? A growth of long hair on the neck of a lion or horse or other animals is known as mane. So that lion had a beautiful golden mane. Can you see these hairs? These are called mane. Okay, all the animals said nice things about him. So all the animals are said nice things about him. They told him what they told him? Bonga, you are so strong. These animals are told him, you are so strong, Bonga. And Bonga, you are so handsome. You are so handsome. You are so strong. In this way, that all animals says to that lion. Yes. So children, in this way these animals says good things about this Bonga. Okay, these animals says good things about this Bonga. They told him, you are so strong, Bonga, and you are so handsome. Yes. So children, now turn your page number 94. Okay, so let's see what happens next. Bonga loved that. Bonga loved that. He would not eat the animals who said the good things about him. So Bonga loved that. He would not eat animals who said the good things about him. If he did not like what they said, he ate them. The animals were very afraid of him. So children, that Bonga liked only those people who are saying good things about him. So if they have not liked that what they have said, he ate them. The animals were very afraid of him. Yes. So Bonga loved that. He would not eat the animals who said the good things about him. If he did not like what they have said, he ate them. Okay. The animals were very afraid of him. Okay. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆ ಲಾಯನ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತಂದರೆ ಆ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಆ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸನ್ನು ತಿಂದುಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಯ್ತಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ, ಅವರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದ. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಅಬೌಟ್ ದ ಬೋಂಗಾ. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ಚಿಲ್ಡ್ರನ್ ಆ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ ಲಾಯನಿಗೆ ನೋಡಿದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವು, ಅಂಜುತ್ತಿದ್ವು. ಯಾಕಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ವು, ಅದು ಒಂದು ವೇಳೆ ಗುಡ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸನ್ನು ಅದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿತ್ತು, ಆ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸನ್ನು ತಿಂದುಬಿಡ್ತಿತ್ತು. ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ಏನಾಗ್ತಿದ್ವು, ಅಂಜಿಬಿಡ್ತಿದ್ವು. ಎಸ್. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ವೆರಿ ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಮ್. ದೋಸ್ ಆ್ಯನಿಮಲ್ಸ್ ವೇರ್ ವೆರಿ ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಓಕೆ. ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಜುವುದು. ಎಸ್. ದೆನ್ Bonga grew old. He did not look handsome anymore. His teeth became yellow. His name became Dirty Grey. His mane became Dirty Grey. He became thin and weak. So now Bonga grew old. He did not look handsome anymore. His teeth become which color? Yellow. His mane become a dirty grey. He became thin and weak. ಸೊ ಆ ಲಾಯನ್ ಬರ್ಬರ್ತಾ ಏನಾಯಿತು. ಸೊ ಬರ್ಬರ್ತಾ ಆ ಲಾಯನ್ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಅದರ ಏಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೋಯಿತು. ಅದು ಏಜ್ ಆಯ್ತಾ ಹೋದಂಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಅದು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಬರ್ಬರ್ತಾ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯಿತು. ಕಡಿಮೆ ಆಯ್ತಂದ್ರೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಅಗ್ಲಿ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದ ಅವನು. ಹಿಸ್ ಟೀತ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲೋ. ಅವನ ಹಲ್ಲು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು, ಎಲ್ಲೋ ಕಲರ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದ್ವು. ಹಿಸ್ ಮೇನ್ ಬಿಕಮ್ ಅ ಡರ್ಟಿ ಗ್ರೇ. ಸೊ ಅವನ ಹೇರ್ಸ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಗ್ರೇ ಕಲರ್ ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ. he became thin and weak. He became slim. He became thin and weak. Before he was strong. So all animals are saying he was strong, he was handsome, but now he became not look handsome anymore, and he became thin and weak. So children, let's see what happens next. One day Robbie the rabbit was brought to Bonga. So the name of that rabbit is Robbie. Okay. One day Robbie the rabbit was brought to Bonga. All the other animals were saying nice things about Bonga. All the other animals were saying nice things about Bonga. When it was Robbie's turn, he said, "You are weak and ugly." So all the animals are saying nice thing about Bonga. But Robbie, what they have said, Robbie, see here, you are weak and ugly. What they said, Robbie. Who's that Robbie? Robbie is the name of that rabbit. Okay. What that Robbie was saying about that lion? It's saying you are weak and ugly. Yes. Bonga was very angry. He roared loudly. The other animals shook with fright. Bonga wanted to eat Robbie. So Bonga was very angry. ಆ ಲಾಯನಿಗೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತು. ಯಾಕೆ ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತು, ಆ ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತು, ನೀನೇನಾಗಿ ಈಗ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಗ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಮೊದಲಿನಂಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಆ ಲಾಯನಿಗೆ ಏನಾಯಿತು, ಸಿಟ್ಟು ಬಂತು. ಅದು ಜೋರಾಗಿ ಘರ್ಜನೆ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇತ್ತು. Other animals shook with fright. Bonga wanted to eat Robbie. Yes. Then he looked at Robbie. Do you want to die? He roared. So what that lion asking to Robbie? Do you want to die? No, I don't, said Robbie. So what that Robbie said? No, I don't. But I will not lie. I am honest. What that rabbit said? I will not lie. I am honest. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅದೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಪ್ರಾಮಾಣಿಕತೆಯಿಂದ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನೀನು ಬರ್ಬರ್ತಾ ವೀಕ್ ಆಗಿ ಅಗ್ಲಿ ಆಗಿ ಮೊದಲಿನಂಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದಕ್ಕಾಗಿ ನಾನು ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ, ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ರ್ಯಾಬಿಟ್ ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ? ಲಾಯನ್ಗೆ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ. Bonga roared again. He was about to kill Robbie when he stopped. Yes, what if Robbie was telling the truth? He thought. So, who thought? That lion thought. What if Robbie was telling the truth? He told Robbie, how will I know if you are telling the truth? So, come with me, said Robbie. Who said? Robbie said. ಸೊ ಲಾಯನ್ ಏನು ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ? ನೀನು ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀಯ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಾನು ಹೇಗೆ ನಂಬಲಿ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳುತ್ತಾ. ಸೊ ರಾಬಿ ಏನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ? ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಬಾ, ನಾನು ನಿನಗೆ ತೋರಿಸ್ತೀನಿ, ನಾನು ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ನಿನಗೆ ಪ್ರೂಫ್ ಕೊಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಸಿಯರ್ he took Bonga to a lake. Lake means it's fully covered with a water. Yes, he told him to look in the water. So what he told? He told him to look in the water. Bonga looked. He saw an old weak lion. What he saw? He saw an old weak lion. He felt very sad. Who felt very sad? Lion, because rabbit told him to look in the water, but Bonga looked. He saw an old weak lion. He felt very sad. He knew that the other animals had been lying. So now he got it. All the animals are saying lying. All the animals are saying lie about him. So but that Robbie says about the truth. He was saying the truth of that lion. So children, see this picture. In this picture, can you see that lion look in the water? Yes, he saw an old weak lion. Yes, he felt very sad. He knew that the other animals had been lying. Okay, why did they lie to me, Robbie? He asked. Who asked? This Bonga asked to Robbie. Why did they lie to me? Means what they are asking? What he asking? Yes, he asking why did they lie to me, Robbie? ಸೊ ಅವ್ನು ಏನು ಕೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಲಾಯನ್? ಅವರೆಲ್ಲರೂ ನನಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ದಿನ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಯಾಕೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು? ನಾನು ಇಷ್ಟು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರು, ಅವ್ರು ನನಗೆ ಹ್ಯಾಂಡ್ಸಮ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ, ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಂಗ್ ಇದ್ದಾನೆ ಅಂತ ಯಾಕೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಯಾರು ಕೇಳ್ತಾರ? ಬೋಂಗಾ ರಾಬಿ ಕೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ. ದೇ ಆರ್ ಅಫ್ರೇಡ್ ಆಫ್ ಯು ಸೊ ದೇ ಲೈ, ರಾಬಿ ಟೋಲ್ಡ್ ಹಿಮ್. ಸೊ ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ನಿನ್ನ ನೋಡಿ ಅನಿಸ್ತಿದ್ರು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನಿನಗೆ ಸುಳ್ಳು ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂಥೇಳಿ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಓಕೆ. Why are you not afraid, Robbie? asked Bonga. Who asked? Bonga asked. Why are you not afraid, Robbie? I am honest. I am not afraid to tell the truth. Okay. So children, what that Robbie said? I am honest. I am not afraid to tell the ಟ್ರೂತ್. ಸೊ ನಾನು ಸತ್ಯವನ್ನು ಹೇಳೋಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂಜೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಸುಳ್ಳು ಎಂದು ಹೇಳೋದಿಲ್ಲ, ನಾನು ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪರ್ಸನ್ ಅದೀನಿ, ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಪೀಪಲ್ ಅದೀನಿ, ಆನೆಸ್ಟ್ ಎನಿಮಲ್ ಅದೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳುತ್ತಾ. ಓಕೆ. ಸೊ ಆಫ್ಟರ್ ದ ರಾಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಬೋಂಗಾ became good friends. Okay, after that Robbie and Bonga became good friends. Bonga stopped eating the animals. So before that Bonga was eating all the animals. If they have not said any good things about him, yes, he ate only fruits and milk. Now he ate only fruits and milk. Okay, slowly all the other animals were not afraid of him. They became his friends. Bonga had so much fun. It was better when no one was afraid of him. So after that Robbie and Bonga became good friends. Yes, Bonga stopped eating the animals. So that Bonga stopped eating the animals. He ate only fruits and milk. So what he became to eat? Yes, now he want to eat only fruits and milk. Okay, slowly all the other animals were not afraid of him. They became his friends. Bonga had so much fun. It was better when no one was afraid of him. So children understood? So, children, now tell me what we learned from this story. Yes, I have learned that it is very important to be honest in life. It is not good to say lie. Okay, this story teaches us what we should always tell the truth and should never lie. Okay, we want to become the honest person. So, honest people are brave people. Okay, so children, I hope you all are understood today's chapter, that is Bonga and Robbie. Okay, if you have any doubts regarding this chapter, you can ask me through WhatsApp. Okay, so children, here only ends our today's class. So see you in next class. Take care. Bye.